What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Today I'm really excited to check out the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I haven't had a watch since the S3 Frontier. The battery started to get pretty crappy on me, so I basically just stopped using it. This watch is connected from Verizon's network, and I love that functionality, having number share with your phone. It worked perfectly, guys. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing of this watch, guys. I'm gonna give you my feedback on using the watch for the past couple weeks. Just remember to hit that like and subscribe button if this is your first time here, as it greatly helps the channel out, guys. Let's get down into the unboxing, guys. Let's go. Galaxy Watch Pro. It was a really good deal at Verizon to trade in my old watch and to get the new one. And the battery life is supposed to be really good on this, and the bezel, the turning bezel is gone. The screen's a lot better. I did like the turning bezel, but a lot of times it would get dinged up and broken. Let's open the box. This is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. They have a regular model, obviously, but this is the Pro model. Just gonna open that up, toss that to the side. Here is the watch itself, and nothing else in there. So we've got the usual Samsung little plastic stuff there. So we'll take that off. See what we got in here. So we got some chargers, your usual books and stuff, and here's your accessories, which is going to be a cable with a regular USB-C charging cable. I did see Flossie Carter's video, and some people had complained about this not being strong, but it seems to be pretty good. There's nothing under there. It's glued to the bottom, so we can flick that aside. We've got a quick start guide. Get to know your device, getting started. Yeah, so this goes in like this. You are getting a little bit of pressure there. We can put your arm down, and you're getting a little pressure right under the watch. You set it up open, and then this magnetic clasp, you know, it makes it a lot easier. So can actually adjust it really easily and take it all on and off really easily, so that's awesome. I like that. I knew Samsung wouldn't do me wrong like that. When you have a Samsung phone, it's really easy to connect there, so you're just gonna hit connect. Okay, now it's just gonna get the watch ready. Very nice looking watch. I like how the button is red on the top, just to kind of remind you that that's probably the home button. This is the back button. Really didn't have to do much to get that set up. Okay guys, so we took a look at the Watch 5 Pro. This watch is pretty amazing. I have 2 accessories for it. If you're interested in purchasing those, I'll have a link down below. I got screen protector, and I also got a plastic hard shell case by Spigen. I really love the watch band that actually comes with this. It comes on and off easily. It's adjusted easily. It's pretty awesome, guys. So I was a little sad to not have the watch band. The way that this case is, it replaces the watch band as well. My first impressions of using this watch are, it is pretty amazing, guys. I really love using it. I'm trying to use it every day. That's why I bought the case. So I am wearing it to work where it might get banged around, and I haven't had any issues at all using this thing. The functionality with the earbuds and a Samsung phone are almost perfect. When my phone's Bluetooth is off and I'm using the buds to play music, when I stop the music, it disconnects, and then when I play it again, it reconnects automatically. For whatever reason, it does that. I'm not sure why. I don't love that feature. I'm getting about 3 days battery life with this, and I like to charge it every 2 days just so I don't have to have it die throughout the day. And I really love the fact that Samsung finally upgraded the battery life in the Pro version of this watch. The screen brightness, touchscreen functionality, all that is stupendous. I mean, we're talking about Samsung here, guys, a flagship watch. Functionality with the applications and moving from an application on the watch to your phone is pretty seamless. I think they really nailed down the UI, and I'm really enjoying using this thing for the health functionality as well as entertainment, music, and text messages work so great. I'm able to actually use voice commands. It automatically does a voice prompt so you can do text to voice. Samsung really figured this UI out and is super easy to use, guys. For text messages, I got my voice to text. For calls, I got mic and speaker, and they even have a little functionality to get water out of the speakers if you'd like to swim or shower with this. I personally take it off when I do that stuff, but it's pretty cool that they added this functionality. I think Samsung really thought of everything. The one con that I really have to say about this watch is the charger that they give you. It's a little magnetic charger, but for whatever reason, the cord is like 3 feet long, and it's just like you can't put it on the nightstand. You're gonna have to get an extension. It only goes one way. You can charge it one way, so you have to make sure you get it the right way. I think they could have made a better charging system for this, or just made the cable a little longer, guys. But if that's the only bad thing that I have to say about this thing, I think they did a pretty good job, guys. As I said earlier, guys, links in the description below for this specific watch and the accessories that I purchased, guys. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. It definitely helps the channel grow. Being a tech YouTuber is pretty tough. There's a lot of competition. So if you like the style of my videos or appreciate them, do that for me, please. Greatly appreciated. That's about all I have to say about this watch right now, guys. I'm Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and until next time, I'm out.